Hello guys, welcome, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can catch 20 to 30 candles in a single trade using this exact strategy. And I'm going to be walking you guys through the settings of the strategy and how you can make use of the strategy. Okay, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like this video, and I'm gonna post notification anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. And if you are a forex trader or you want to start your forex journey, you need to trade with the best broker, and the broker I'm going to be recommended for you is XM. Okay, so you can get a $30 no deposit bonus. So just use the link in the description below, so you'll be eligible to get that $30 no deposit bonus. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with this strategy. Okay, so before we dive into the strategy, I first want to show you guys what are the indicator we are dealing with. So to set the indicator up, click on this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on the icon, the first indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the moving average. So how do we add this up? You click on this F icon right here. We search for moving average, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 25, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style, use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first indicator we are going to be using. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the stochastic oscillator. How do we add this up again? We click on this click on this F icon right here on our our main chart. We search for stochastic oscillator, and this is the parameters. Now the first, with all these sets right here, we don't need it. What we need is the levels. And what is the levels? We need the 15 and the 85 levels. Of course, use any color of your choice. So go back and click on save. So that is the second indicator we are going to be using. Now for the last indicator, which is going to be the Ichimoku. Do we set it up again? We click on this F icon right here. We search for Ichimoku, and this is the parameters. Now the application is 5, the execution is 6, the span is 52, apply to price field. Now for the style, we only need the tension, the up move and the down move. Okay, so let me show you guys right here. So we need the up move, the down move, and the tension. So that is the color we need. So the remaining, we set it as a background color and click on save. So that is the settings for the strategy. Okay, so moving on to now the strategy now works. So we right here on this strategy, we want to be scalp. Okay, and for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, you zoom in just 2 times. Okay, so when you zoom in 2 times, you are going to get the right zoom level. Okay, so that is the zoom level for the strategy. So looking at this strategy right here, how do we now participate in the candle moves? Okay, so this is how we do it. The first thing we want to keep in mind is the Ichimoku comes straight to the 85 levels, which is very important. So when we see that the Ichimoku comes straight to the 85 levels, it don't just come to the 85 levels, it come with this line right here, which is this red line, and it's also come to the 85 levels as well. So this first line, this red line comes to this 85 levels, and the Ichimoku volume as well comes to 85 levels right at this stochastic oscillator 85 levels. So when we see this, the next thing we are looking for is this line right here, is the red line to move inside the Ichimoku volume, which is very important right here. So when the line is inside the Ichimoku volume, then we look into our main chart. This shows that the price is going for a sell. So the next thing we just do is just to look into our main chart for a trade entry. Now how do we take a trade entry? So after we confirm all this here, after we confirm that the line is inside the Ichimoku volume, then the next thing we confirm is to wait for a candle closure below the moving average, which is this candle right here. So when the candle closes below the moving average, we just have to wait for another 2 candles, which is this candle right here and this candle. So after this candle close, we enter right at this candle. So this candle right here should be our entry candle. Okay, so that is the entry candle. So as simple as that. So moving on to the next, which I'm going to show you guys a trade on on crash indices. Okay, so just remember and keep it in mind that your third candle will always be your entries. This is this candle right here. This candle should always be your entries. It's very important. That's why your entries is very important. Now let me go to crash show you guys another trade example. So let me back to the normal zoom level. So here, if you are taking a trade right here, this is a type of trade that I love to trade. So you can see that the price is recently moving into our direction. Now, if you are to take this trade right here, so this is how you do it. First thing you will do is to wait for this line to come straight to the 15 levels. When it's at the 15 levels, then you are now waiting for the line to move inside the Ichimoku volume. You have to move inside of it. So when you get inside of it, then the next thing we do is to look into our main chart and wait for this candle confirmation. After we confirm all this in our indicator window 1, after we confirm all this in our indicator window 1, then the next thing we are going to do is to check our main chart with a candle close above the moving average, which is this candle right here. After I close above it, we wait for another two candles with this candle and this candle, and we enter right at this candle. This should be our entry candle, and you can see the price is still moving into our direction. Okay, so that is how we take a trade using this strategy, and that is how the strategy works. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and type posting strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.